In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new page in Webflow. We'll start right from the Webflow dashboard, so you can follow along from a fresh login. Head to your Sites area and open the project where you want to add a page. On the project card, choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. This brings you into the live editing environment where you can manage structure, content, and settings for your site. Once the designer loads, look to the left toolbar and open the Pages panel. This is the hub for all your site's static pages, CMS templates, and utility pages. In the Pages panel, click the New Page button. A setup window will appear. If you see options, choose New Page Template to start from Webflow's standard page structure rather than a completely blank canvas. This keeps things organized and consistent across your site. In the page details, give your page a clear, human-readable name. Webflow will automatically create a URL slug from the name, but you can customize it if needed. Keep slugs short, lowercase, and separated with hyphens to make links easier to read and share. For example, contact or pricing plans are both clean and descriptive. If your new page needs to be private, open Restrict Access. Here you can prepare access rules so only specific users or members can view the page after you publish. It's perfectly fine to leave this off if the page should be public. You can always return and adjust access later as your project grows. Next, open SEO settings. This panel centralizes the essentials that influence how your page appears in search results and browser tabs. Locate the search title field. This is the title search engines typically display as the main headline for your result. Aim for something concise and accurate, so visitors instantly understand the page's purpose. Keeping it within a reasonable character range helps avoid truncation. If you already use a site-wide naming convention, match that style for consistency. When everything looks good, click Create. Webflow will add the page to your Pages list and open it in the designer so you can begin laying out sections, headings, and components. If you ever need to revise the page name, slug, access rules, or SEO settings, return to the Pages panel, select your page, and open its settings to fine-tune. That's it. Your new page is now part of your site's structure, ready for content and styling. Take a moment to confirm the name and URL are exactly how you want them, and keep your naming consistent across all pages.